welcome back. We're supposed to stay dun sa condo nung Saturday, but hindi kami natuloy kasi on our way may nangyari dito sa minivan. And yeah, nalaglag yung muffler. I'm trying to maintain this car, and every single month, but somehow, kasi medyo tumatanda na rin yung sasakyan, kaya it happened na it's the muffler. What can we do? So we're gonna use the other old car in Tucson, si Bochog. Yeah. So again, this is the car we're gonna use. This is my old and first car na binili sa akin ng parents ko. And it still works. Driving smooth. And yeah, see? Ito yung parang cargo car namin. So again, today is Monday and it's a long weekend kasi dito sa Canada we're celebrating Thanksgiving. Hi.
Ay, look!
Wow!
Bird!
So dito tayo sa isang saradong daan, pero pwede yung pedestrian and cyclist.
It's okay. Let's find some.
Let's go, Kayen! Nagdala ka ng tubig mo?
Nandun.
Wow!
Gusto mo bang ilagay dyan?
Candice, Naomi! And so we switched. Ayun ni Kayen. First time kasi ni Kayen na sumakay. Si Naomi ever since
Tatlo?
nung 1 year old siya. Nagamit na namin to. Ngayon 3 years old na siya. And still kaya pa rin siya.
Mabigat siya.
Pero ewan ko kung kaya ko pa siya.
Sakit.
But it's good. It's okay.
Doing say hi to the camera.
Ayaw sumakay ka yan.
fall season. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-orangey. Greenish pa rin siya. But may mga tinge of red na rin, mga ganyan. But hindi pa masyado. Hey! Ang dami ladybug. Look, oh. See that? So, kinulose down tong daan na to for almost 2 years na. For renovation sa may river doon. Kaya naging walk path and for bicycle lane na lang siya for now. But madaming hiking spot dito, like as you can tell. Ayan, may daan dyan. And this area, okay, look, may mga tao doon.
Napakain ng kain.
Hello. Oh. Ha? Yeah. Good job. Yeah. Why? Why? Ooh, sure.
Like a maple leaf and a clover. Pop, ate, Naomi. Kayan! Go, Kayan!
Kayan!
Wait for your brother.
Yeah. Hi. So we're on our way back sa parking.
Layo din, ha?
Yeah. Candice. That's a good... That's a kilometer? More than.
Yung pa-downhill lang kasi
Okay yung lakad, pero nakakapagod yung
uphill.
buhat-buhat mo yung mga bata. But it's alright. We had fun. On to the next one. That's a nice walk. Babalik kami dito.